Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0841 indicates an issue with the transmission fluid pressure sensor and switch A on the Honda Pilot from 2016 to 2022. This code reveals a concern related to the electrical circuit rather than mechanical issues within the transmission itself. This diagnostic trouble code is critical because it points to potential faults in the fluid pressure sensor or its associated wiring, impacting the operation of the Transmission Control Module, TCM. Once this code is triggered, it can lead to compromised transmission performance, which is vital for optimal driving experiences. Therefore, addressing this error promptly can prevent further complications within the vehicle's transmission system. Always refer to the Honda Service Manual for specific details regarding the vehicle and the DTC codes. The DTC P0841 revolves around the transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch A. This component plays a vital role in monitoring the hydraulic pressure within the transmission system. It serves as a pressure switch, sending necessary information to the TCM to help it manage shift timing and performance. The sensor is typically located within the transmission, often near the valve body. Its position allows it to accurately gauge the fluid pressure that is essential for proper gear shifting and overall transmission function. Failing to resolve issues related to this sensor can lead to erratic transmission behavior, which can affect vehicle drivability and safety. The potential causes for DTC P0841 can be summed up mainly as an electrical circuit issue affecting the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Specifically, this code indicates that there might be an open wire in the circuit, which interrupts the flow of electricity needed for the sensor to function correctly. Additionally, there may be a short circuit to ground, causing the sensor to provide erroneous readings or fail altogether. It's crucial to differentiate these electrical faults from any mechanical transmission issues, as this DTC strictly pertains to electrical aspects. Understanding the underlying causes provides a roadmap for effective troubleshooting and repair strategies to rectify the issue. When DTC P0841 is triggered, drivers may experience various symptoms indicative of transmission issues. One of the most common symptoms is erratic shifting patterns, where the vehicle may hesitate or shift at unexpected times, leading to a jerky driving experience. Another notable symptom is overall transmission performance degradation, which can manifest as rough gear changes or slipping. Often, the check engine light will activate to alert the driver to an issue, urging further investigation. Ignoring these signs can result in more severe transmission problems down the line, impacting overall vehicle reliability and performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0841 involves verifying the initial problem by turning the vehicle to the on mode. This mode allows the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system to become active, enabling the technician to access real-time data. Next, it is crucial to clear the DTC using the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, which resets the fault codes stored in the computer. After this, the technician should start the engine and wait several seconds to allow the system to run its checks. Finally, checking for pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS helps in identifying whether the issue has re-emerged. If DTC P0841 is present again, it confirms a persistent issue that warrants further investigation. In step 2 of the troubleshooting process, the first action is to turn the vehicle off by switching it to the off or lock mode. This ensures the safety of the technician while working on the electrical components. After the vehicle is off, the next step is to disconnect the TCM subharness 26P connector and the TCM 58P connector. These connectors house the wiring associated with the Transmission Control Module. Following disconnection, the technician must check for continuity between specified test points using a multimeter. It is essential to ensure that there is no interruption in the electrical path represented by the PCL, VCC1, and SG1 lines. If continuity exists, these wires are not open, and the technician can proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Step 3 involves checking for potential shorted wires in the circuit that leads to the transmission fluid pressure sensor. To begin this process, the technician must again ensure the vehicle is in the off or lock mode, with the TCM connectors still disconnected. Using a multimeter, continuity should be tested between the TCM 58P connector terminals and the vehicle's body ground. A continuity reading indicates that there may be a short to ground in either the PCL or VCC1 wires, necessitating immediate repair. If no continuity is found, it suggests that the wires are functioning properly, and the next course of action would involve replacing the transmission as indicated. Identifying and rectifying short circuits are critical steps in ensuring that the sensor functions as intended and prevents further transmission issues. After completing repairs based on the identified issues related to DTC P0841, the final verification step is crucial. The technician should start by clearing the DTC using the HDS once again to reset the system. After clearing the code, it's essential to retest the vehicle by running it in various operating conditions. This procedure ensures that the repair is effective and verifies that no new codes have appeared. Additionally, monitoring the vehicle's operation during a test drive can reveal any underlying issues that were not apparent during stationary checks. Finally, ensuring that all connectors and wires are properly installed and secured is vital to maintain functionality and prevent future codes from emerging. A thorough verification process confirms that the repairs have restored proper function. To prevent DTC P0841 from occurring in the future, adopting a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance is vital. Regularly inspecting the wiring and connectors related to the transmission fluid pressure sensor can help identify potential issues before they lead to trouble codes. Alongside this, monitoring the transmission fluid levels and quality is crucial, as low fluid levels or poor quality fluids can impact the sensor's performance. Employing quality transmission fluid that meets Honda specifications can minimize the risk of damage to the sensor. Moreover, conducting routine transmission service can ensure the overall health of the system, thereby reducing the likelihood of encountering electrical issues. Consistent preventive maintenance practices can extend the vehicle's life and improve overall performance. In summary, understanding DTC P0841 is essential for maintaining the transmission performance of the Honda Pilot from 2016 to 2022. Recognizing that this error pertains to electrical circuit issues surrounding the transmission fluid pressure sensor provides the foundation for effective troubleshooting. Following the systematic steps outlined ensures a thorough diagnostic process that can help to identify and rectify the problem accurately. Furthermore, practicing proactive maintenance, such as regular inspections and quality fluid use, can play a significant role in preventing future occurrences of this code. Ultimately, an informed approach enhances vehicle reliability and performance, offering peace of mind for any Honda Pilot owner. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.